you kidding me?
Hey yo, this is Torchmouth Entertainment 2025. Just trying to escape the rain. Sometimes it's easier said than done.
All I ever see is rain, 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 rain. Rain, 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 rain. And I don't wanna be a bother,
But I'm drowning in my problems.
but all I ever see is rain,
Rain, rain, rain, rain. All I ever see is haters, fakes and imitators, traitors. Gotta keep them out my radar and stay hard. How I return them the favor with payback. All up in their ears, so take that. Straight facts is what I spit so I can bring back lyrical miracles that go around like they're spherical. Empirical synonyms that come off in very critical. Analytical to whack ass rappers who cannot spit flows. I just know when I get big that I'ma fucking rip shows. I'ma come out giant like I'm imitating Big Show. You can say I'm Eastside boy the way these bitches get low. And one thing I can promise is I won't end up on a slit throat. Another thing I guarantee, I don't do this to get dough. I do this for my family, my fan base, so you've been known. I'm the boss when it comes to lyricism. Bitches better tiptoe when I come around, cause I'm the rap version
all
of
I ever
Devo.
see is rain, 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 rain. Rain, 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 rain. And I don't wanna be a bother, but I'm drowning in my problems. But all I ever see is rain, 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 rain. Hope I make it through the rain.